Hi friends, welcome to Laxmails 31. I'm Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about ends with function in Tableau. Let's get started. Ends with function returns true if the given string ends with the specified substring. Trailing white spaces are ignored. So the example is like this. Ends with of Tableau, comma, substring leau equal to true. So here the syntax is like this. Ends with a string. String is nothing but Tableau over here. And the substring. Substring is nothing but leau. So when we pass a substring and it will compare with the string and returns true or false as a result. So let me open Tableau desktop application and show you how to use ends with function in Tableau and explain more about it. So I have opened Tableau desktop application and I have the sample superstore data with me. Now, so to explain this scenario, let me take a scenario first. So let me take city column and bring it to the row shelf. Now I want to display only cities which ends with A. So in this scenario, we are going to use ends with function in Tableau to display only cities which ends with A. That's why we are using ends with function. So for anything, if you are going to display any city or region or a customer name or any column which ends with A, we are going to use this function called ends with to display the data which ends with A. So now I have all functions displayed over here. Let me click on string. So we ends with is a string function. Let me search for ends with and we have this ends with available over here. Ends with of string comma substring. This is the syntax. Returns true if the string ends with the substring. Trailing white space is ignored. So if there is any space at the end of the string, it will be ignored. So only it will compare with the substring provided and display the results whether it is true or false. And we have an example over here. Ends with of calculation comma substring ion is true. So the result is true if it has the ion substring within the calculation. Since we have ion available within the calculation, it is going to display true. Now let's build a calculation. I am going to use ends with and using city column comma I'm going to pass a string. You can pass a string or a simple single character as well. Now I am passing just a single character and renaming the calculation to ends with. I'm clicking on OK and enabling the bringing the ends with calculation to filter shelf and selecting true. Now we got all the cities which ends with A. If you observe here, Alexandria ends with A, Altoona ends with A, Mesa ends with A, Odisha ends with A, Peoria ends with A. So all the cities displayed over here ended with A. So this is how you can use ends with in Tableau. And let me display whether it's true, it's displaying true or false. So you can see it's displaying true alone. So let me enable both of them and see what's happening. So if we select false, we will be able to get all the cities available. So if you see Aberdeen, it's not ending with A. That's why it is displaying false. So this is how you can use the ends with function and get the cities which ends with A.
Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.